Cooking with Gigi. Hi guys, welcome to another video of Cooking with Gigi. Today we're making frittata. I know it sounds weird, but that was the name. Let's get cooking. That's my one. Okay guys, it's good to make this thing if you have leftover pasta. We have Angel here and the other pasta, I forget his name, tell me later. With linguine. And here are the two pastas we need. And we need salt and pepper. Nice salt. And we need olive oil. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs. You can always have the leftover. Another egg if you don't have enough. And here's Parmesan cheese a bit. And if I didn't say, I just say olive oil if I say it again. Okay, now guys, we're gonna put in the pasta to the bowl. Both of these pastas. I will. Frittata. Yeah. Frittata. Oopsie. Huh? That's what's not. There it is. Frittata. Let's go put the whole thing. Now we're gonna put oil. And here's the fun part. You might love this part, you may not. One little drop, maybe. That is good. For this step, we gotta put oil on the pasta, and I already did it, you see. And don't forget, before you cook, always wash your hands every time. So fun and so oily. Guys, here's the next step. We gotta grate the cheese. Try to make it faster than usual. It's hard. Okay, let's go see. Oop, I'm done! Okay guys, the next step is to crack the eggs. Okay. And another one. Oh, this is so satisfying. Whoa. Let the juice come out. Okay, let's go use a spoon to get the egg small. Cut. Trim it. Whoa, still satisfying still. Okay, that's good. Now let's last one. Is that a Frittata? Next step is twist. It's done. Okay, now let's add 2 seeds. Okay, now we stir it again. Wow, now it looks so nice. Get all the stuff. Stir it into the frittata. Okay, now salt. Oops. I think that's better. Oh. That's not going up. I want to mix it again. Can I? Mix it up. Wow. We have to add pasta, guys. Wow. Again. Okay, what do we do next? Here's a new spoon. Wow, so nice. Get the egg on the side. To stir very good. Wow. Broccoli. Wow. Okay. Oops. Okay, guys, now it's time to cook it. My mom put a little more salt and pepper. Guys, we need a lid so I can seal it. And we need this pan. We're gonna put oil in the pan when it's fully empty on the bottom. You see? Before it got cooked, so the pasta don't stick to the side. Yep, that's how we make frittata. And always have a door to cook it because kids don't touch the stove or oven or microwave. And I cannot microwave my own food. Let's get cooking with Gigi. See you next time on Cooking with Gigi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!